In this example, I show you how you can use email notification add-on in order to use email lists to send notifications through this list. So we will use this in this time this part. So I will explain how you can make a rule in order to send emails from a list. So in order to understand this, so we have first to understand what this example is. So in this sheet, as you can see here, it's about a student's modules or courses, what he or she studies. So here you see the list of the courses, and here this column there is a status. I will explain it more. And here there is the information about the students, here the name of the student, the ID of the student, the email address, and the school tutor name, and the main teacher's name. So there is some information. They are not important. You can put anything according to what you want, but this is the how this sheet is. So what is important for us is this column, which shows status. Here in this column, front of every course, I want to write three informations. So these three informations are here. So either I put PA, which means past, which means a course is past, or if it's started, I put ST, or if it's not yet started, I put not ST. So as I explained, so there is three informations. So I write PA, ST, or not ST. PA means past, ST means started, not started means not ST means not started. So when I write PA, which means past, I want to send email notification to notify the school coordinator that this student has passed this course, for example. But if I put ST or not ST, I don't want to send nothing, but I want just to change maybe the color of the background of the cell to this. If it's ST, change to this color, maybe it looks like orange. And if not started yet, I put not ST, I change the cell change to a red color. But if I put PA, I change it to green, and I send a message or notification to the school coordinator. So from where I will bring this email information. So in this case, I will send it, I will put it here. This is example. This means in this column A, I put the list, my list, and I put the name of the school coordinator. This is actually my email address, but it can be in fact the real address of school coordinator. You can also add in other email addresses like the teacher's email, like the supervisor or anyone you want. So it can be a list that you can put as much as you want, but not more than 90. So now we understand what this table is and what this sheet shows to us. So here we understand that we want to make 3 rules which will activate on this sheet. So one is when I write st, one is when I write not st, and the third is when I write pa. And also another thing is that these rules will be activated just in this column, not here, because I will write these informations just in this column, not here or here or here, no, just in B column. So I have to limit my rules just to be activated on these cells which are in this column. So here I go to the configuration sheet to show you how the rules are. So I put them already here, but I will explain to you. So as I say that I want to write 3 rules. So the activated sheets, it's always the same. Is here, it's this one, which it has the name student modules. So it must be the same name as it is here. So the text values I want to write 3 type of values: PA, ST, or not ST. Where I want to put these values is in this here rows and columns, means always, as I say in the first video example, it's always the intersection between both. So here what it means, it's intersection between all rows and column B. So if I see here, if I take all columns and in intersection with B column, so it means just these rows, just these cells. So this is, in this way I just fix the column, just a column and not other cells. So here I put rows all and column B. So in the background after the change, here in this way I didn't want to change the background color, but I want to change the font, text font color, when after I write these informations. So when I write PA, I change the font color, the text color to green. If I put ST, I change font to ST. If I write not ST, I change the font to red. And as I explained before, if I write ST, which means started, or not ST, which means not started, I don't want to send any message. So in send email column, I put no. But when the student pass a course, I want to send email. But this email information, I will bring it in this in this case from a list, and the list location is A. So as I see here, is email data is from a list, and the list name is A, so it's A column. So if it's in B column, I write B. If it's in C column, I write C. But my information is in A column, so I keep it in this as it is here. The message body, which is always a little bit challenging to understand it. Here the message what I want to send is this, is the student, and here I put the name of student, so I will bring this information from the student model sheet. So that's why I put it between sharps character. So the student, and I put the name, automatically brings the name of the student has successfully passed the course, and put the name of the course, which I will bring also from the student module. So let's start with this how we put this, how it comes this E3. So the student modules here, in this student module sheet, here is the information of the student's name. This information is fixed. We know its address here. So it's AE3. So it doesn't depend on the edition where I edit my information. It's fixed. So it doesn't change. It's always in the same place. So I just automatically I put it as it is. So it's A3. So in this case it's easy. Here it's a little bit different. So I want the name of the course. So the course name is here. So now this information depends on the edition. When I write like pass PA here, past, so if I put the edition, if I edit the information here, so this name is in the same row where the edition happens. If I want this name and I put this and I edit this cell, so it's always in the same row. Here the edition happens, the row, the name is of the name of the course is in the same row. So when it's in this case, the row will be written as and character, but the column information, so as you can see the courses are written in the same column, so they doesn't change. So it will be in this case A and character. A because the courses names are written always in the same column, but the row it will be variable according to where the edition happened. That's why we put here this information in this way. So it's A and character. And here after that, send edition details. I want to add it to the email. I want to add also the link of the document to the email, and the message subject is course notification. So I think now the three rules which I make are clear. Now to test this, as I told you, we have to always go and activate the notification. So let's see what, so because here authorization required in my, because this is first time I want to use this add-on and it needs some permission, so I have just to say yes. Yeah, yeah, and allow. now the notification is activated now. So this happens just for the first time when you want to use the email notification, but if after that it will be working like normal. So here the message saying that the notification is activated now. So let's say if, for example, to test that this is not started yet. So now it changed the color. And let's say that this course language of programming is started. So I will put ST. So it must be orange. Okay, it changed also. So here UML, I want now if I write PA, I want that I get email message or send email message to the school coordinator. So PA means that this student who has this name Mouhssine Idrisi has passed this course UML. So it changed to green. So but let's see if we get a message. Normally I put my email address in order to verify if this is working. So we will check now. Yeah, now I get the email. As you can see here, the message body is course notification. The message body is as it's written here. The student Mouhssine Idrisi. As you can see here is the information what I bring from the this sheet students modules has successfully passed the course UML. Here I add the details of the editions, where it happens, which cell, and this the name of the spreadsheet, and all these things. And also I add the link information. So as you can see, it's working in as exactly as I wanted. So I think this example comes to the end. I hope that that you understand this well, and I'm sorry for my English, and I hope that you understand this. And if you have any question, you can contact me through the website. Thank you, and see you in new video examples.